Очень часто в процессе общения, как в медицинских кругах, так и с пациентами, иногда бывает непросто объяснить, как работает гомеопатия, как действует гомеопатический препарат. Как будто не хватает аргументов. Уважаемый профессор, не могли бы вы еще раз рассказать, как действует гомеопатический препарат, каков механизм работы препарата?
I think there is an answer to this question which is quite clear, and I will demand the attention of everybody so I can proceed logically to explain the mechanism of action. You see, do we all agree that the symptoms of a case which are produced by the organism, they are the signs of the defense of the organism against some noxious agent? If we understand this, then we go to the next step about the remedy. Do we all agree that if a remedy is given, a certain group of symptoms will appear due to the defense mechanism of the organism? So if these two things are valid, then it's very easy to understand the mechanism which is behind the creation of the symptoms is the same or similar with the one with the other. So once you have in front of you a case which presents a group of symptoms, and you search and you find that Allium cepa has the same symptoms or the similar symptoms. If you give this remedy, what you are doing, you are producing more symptoms than they exist in the organism. But this is what we say exactly, that if we give the correct remedy, first there is an aggravation. We call it aggravation, an increase of symptoms, which is natural. You see, the disease is produced by this reaction of the organism. The medicine, the remedy can produce the same symptoms, so you give it, and the whole thing is through this increasing of symptomatology, the healing is accomplished. That means what we do, we help a little bit the mechanism, the immune system, who reacts towards the noxious agent, but is not able to overcome the disease by itself. But once is added to this force the power of the remedy, then immediately there is annihilation of symptoms and of the disease. And this is the great difference between our system and the concept of medicine, which actually suppress symptoms through force. And in this point, Hahnemann most probably missed the point. And he's speaking about a more powerful remedy which suppresses kind of the symptoms, which is not true. Actually, the understanding of the theory of matter and antimatter, where they say if there is a similarity between those small particles of the organism and the small particles of the remedy, when they come together, there is an annihilation of either of the symptoms of the case or the symptoms from the remedy. So there is a similarity in that, where most probably a mechanism is set in motion which works on a subatomic level. And this takes place because the potencies we are using are so high that we are not talking about anything else than small particles of the subatomic level. I hope one day will be provided the solution by the research centers, who they are having all the possibilities for measuring these things.